Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to share with you on how to top up Deliver credit. First of all, you need to log into our customer portal. Once you log in, on the left side of the screen, you will need to click on top up, and then once you click top up, there is a screen over here. Basically, there are two ways to top up. First is the customer amount that you want. For example, 200 ringgit and etc. Or you can choose by selecting one of the plans that we have down here. Please note that the higher you top up, the rates will be cheaper. For example, here B20 plan, currently the rate is for Ninja Band is RM6 for 3 kg. But for B1000 plan, the rate for Ninja Band is RM5.50 for 5 kg. Okay. Okay. Now, I select B100. Okay. So I need to top up RM100 lah in order for me to get B100 plan. So I select on the online payment, and then I check all the details here, make sure it is correct, and if you have any discount code, you can put it here, and then click on confirm. Okay, now I select my which bank that I want to pay with. For example, here I selected my bank to you, and I click proceed with my bank to you. And then, as usual, we need to log into our online banking account and make payment accordingly. So once the payment had gone through, you will see your updated credit on your left side or on your top up page also here. The credit will be over here, and your plan will be here. Okay, that's all for today, and if you have any question, you can contact us through our live chat here. Okay, bye bye.